Hey guys, it's your girl Miss Fluffy, back with another video. Guys. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Definitely subscribe and turn on your post notification on so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Guys, it's Friday, last day of the work week. For some people, okay, so let's enjoy this Friday. Guys, I got an interesting combo for y'all today, okay? Interesting combo. And I got this from Rico's vlog. I'm gonna leave his channel in the description down below. Yes, guys, I went down south. Like I told y'all in previous videos, I finally got my braces tightened up a little bit. So hopefully I can eat this. Let me show y'all. Make me show now. Hold on, let me get this thing right here. So guys, I'm gonna do a spice bun and pickle sandwich. Spice bun and dill pickle sandwich. Let me do a thumbnail. Shabba yabba, shabba yabba. Hold on. I think that's good enough. Too cute, too cute. So I got my dill pickle, my kosher dill pickle right here. Let me come down some more. Oh shoot. Shimmy, 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 nibble. Shimmy, shimmy. This light be tripping. Come on, baby. Baby. I feel like, hold on. I feel like it might fall again. Kind of looks dark, but this is my spice bun. Spice is life. I already got some sliced up over here. I already got them sliced up, and I have some Coca-Cola. Y'all, I haven't had this bun in a long time. You can't even see something on it. Wheat flour, water, vegetable shortening, yeast, spice, nutmeg, egg, salt, all type of stuff. So the way they cut this in Jamaica, if you buy it on the streets, hold on. You buy it on the streets, you got to, they'll grab one side so they don't have to touch it. They'll poke one side of the bun, cut it with the bag on, open it up, and then cut a piece of cheese. I think the lighting is good. I don't know if the lighting is. Okay, and get a piece of cheese and I'll open it up and stick the cheese in there. But I'm gonna work with one bun right now. Let me put these dill pickles right here on this platter. Alright, I'm gonna use half the bun because John knows say, me don't know what I'm getting myself into. Rico said it was good, so I'm gonna try it. And me don't want to break up my teeth. Broke off a little piece of braces, what I'm just put on there. Alright, 2 pieces. Ooh, taste this pickle. Alright, guys. There it is. Let me press it on. Dill pickle sandwich. Dill pickle sandwich, baby. Baby, look at that. Y'all already know. Let me try. No, man. Let me take a small piece, cause John knows say I'll be mad if my braces broke up. There you guys go. Okay, Rico. Think he's on to something, guys. Y'all need to try this. Dill pickle with spice bun. You can get your spice bun at the international section of your grocery store, or where's it? Or Publix, yeah. Publix and international section. Like me, I went down to Palm Beach and I went to Food Town. I don't know, it's a food town of everything. Honestly, I think anything goes. This pickle goes well with anything. Look on that. I think because of the saltiness. I think I said, ooh, no salt with napkin there. I think I said I was gonna vlog when I went down south, but I didn't. I should have, but it was just a short trip, so I never bought a video. If y'all want to see me do a video, leave it down in the comment down below. Honestly, ooh, this video is not gonna be too long. John. You got that one there good enough? I'm definitely gonna eat it with cheese as well. Probably not tonight, but you know the one sour. I hope there's no boy in my belly. And my belly is a boy. Guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. I know it's not one of my longest videos. It's pretty short, straightforward, straight to the point. Y'all need to try this pickles and spice bun. You can also do it with bulla, if you have bulla. If you can't find spice bun, you can substitute it with the cinnamon raisin bread. I think that might work. Try this out, let me know. Check out Rico's vlog. I'm gonna leave his channel down below in my description. Guys, as always, don't forget to subscribe. Woo! Woo! So good. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Show my beautiful face. Yeah, bye, babe. Bye, guys. See y'all next one. Bye.